Yeah. Yeah. You can stay here and wait for a second. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, we have a side door, 3. It's an Otis. Fixtures. Switch here. 2. Door goes by water. There's another fixtures here. Fixtures. Telephone. Carview. This is whoa! One more ride. This has a side door. Interesting. This one has a slide door. I'm gonna do my last car view then. Wait, 1 second. Oh, guess what? There's probably another 4 elevator. There's another escalator here. There's a fountain. Are you kidding me? Another elevator. Handicap elevator goes up to the top. Are you kidding me? Cut you again. Same elevator, but we're entering it. Whoa! Door goes when you push the button. Taking one wire on these. Interesting elevator. Has a side door. Let's get out and go back down to that elevator here. Door goes when you push a button. I like that. This is the elevator at the US Bank Tower. Outside the skyscraper. Right there. Whoa! Here we are. I'm gonna have to convert it. Oh my gosh. This has one single slide door. 1. Then your fixtures. This is the elevator, not more elevators at the Los Angeles US Bank Tower. Do my car view first. No, I'm gonna let the door closes actually. Do my car view first. It's a pretty nice elevator. There's another egg here. Another phone. I'm gonna do silent Y. 1, 2, 3. Oh, doesn't sound that good. Here we're on 2, and that's it.